The ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro printer is a top-notch 3D printer that offers a large printing size of 8.85 by 8.85 by 11 inches, catering to the needs of most users. This 3D printer features a one-click auto-leveling system that uses a non-contact sensor to accurately measure and compensate for any unevenness on the print platform, ensuring high-quality prints. The printer is equipped with a powerful extrusion system that includes a double-gear direct extruder with 3 times extrusion torque motor, providing easier filament feeding and more stable and precise printing. The ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro printer guarantees quiet and safe printing with a noise level as low as 50 decibels, thanks to its STM32-bit motherboard, silent drivers, and POM V-guide roller. This 3D printer has enhanced reliability with its Z-axis dual lead screw and Z-axis dual motor design, increasing the accuracy and stability of printing. The smart resume printing feature of this 3D printer allows it to resume printing after a power failure, preventing material waste and model scrapping.